unboxing my ArtSnacks for the month of August. But before that, I wanted to show you these cool new things that I have on my online shop. So all the links are down below, but I actually came out with and released enamel pins. 5 Zuki enamel pins. So I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so I have the 5 right here. So the first one I'm going to show you here is throwing up rainbows. So as you guys know, my character actually exchanges vomit with each other. But here you go. This is one pin. So it comes like really cute wrapped up, and it has like the 2 pins in the back. But here you go. The next one is unicorn onesie. And then I have Tagger. And then I have Sunday, like Sunday, but it's Sunday. Isn't it cute? All these little cool details. And the last one is Heartless. As you could see, he is like the main character. Well, I released them today. I was actually going to wait for Friday, but I was like, you know what, forget it. Let me just release them now. Each of them are 10 bucks, but if you get all 5, you get $5 off, so it's a total of 45. Don't forget to get them. I have plenty. If you are going to New York Comic Con, I will have them there as well. I will have everything at New York Comic Con. But let's continue with ArtSnacks. Guys, if you guys don't know ArtSnacks, well, basically it's you subscribe, you pay monthly. You can pay monthly, you can pay like 6, I think I did the 6 months. You can do 12 months, you can do 3 months, but I think I did the 6 month. But anyway, you subscribe and you get a total of 5 life-size art supplies in here. And yeah, so I've been doing it for the past couple of years. I stopped last year because I had a couple of things I had to do, so I didn't have time to do any ArtSnacks. But I am back in the game, and I'm very, very excited to show you guys what I have for the month of August. So let's open this up. Guys, what is in here? Okay, so the first thing is it comes with a little directory here of all the items that are in the box. So it has a full 5 items in here. Okay, and obviously the 5 pieces are in here. And what we always get in the box is a sticker. And I've noticed that every time now this year we got like different color ones. Like the last one I received was a nice strawberry looking pattern, and I got one of the dum-dums. I need that now. So here are the 5 items in here, and then obviously you have one wrapped up like always. It's like a present. So let's start with the first thing. So it says here what's on the menu for August. So let's see. So the first one is a pen, a brush pen actually. So if I butcher the name because it has too many K's, T's, K's, and H's, D-O, yeah, too many stuff like that. So the first pen retails for about $7.95. The name of it is Cure Take. Oh, and it says here pronounced Ni Ho Datai Kabura. There you go, guys. That's how you say it. So it's Nihon Datai Kabura. This pen is in the number 55. It retails for $7.95. So this is apparently the staff's favorite. So let's read what the staff has to say. So although traditionally used for Japanese calligraphy, the brush pens are great tools for all artists. The pen, number 55, okay, is a double-sided pen with a firm fine point on one side and a flexible rubber brush tip on the other. Let's see. The soft brush tip is extremely flexible, which is good because you know, like when my markers have the brush tip and it's flexible, makes it easy to create thick or thin strokes while the fine tip is stiffer, allowing for great control, which is a good bonus. Filled with water-based dye ink. This pen is water soluble, so that's cool. So let me show you the item. So this is how it comes in. Pretty neat. Obviously, it has like this Japanese writing, and it's obviously from Japan. So this is what it looks like, guys. It has the number 55 on the top. So I'm guessing there's other sizes, I hope. So the one side is a brush. And the other side is like a nice fine point. So let me swatch over here. Alright, so let's do the brush first. That's really nice. And you can go really thin too. And as you can see, look, it doesn't transfer at all, which is really good when you're actually coloring. When you're actually using this pen, so it doesn't transfer. And this is the other side. Look how thin it is. It's really thin. I like this tip better than the brush. Thicker, as you can see, this right here compared to that one. It's really good. I like it. Can't wait to test this out. So the next item I have here on my menu for August is called the Daler Rodney Aquafine Watercolor Half Pan Twin Set. So this one retails for $6.99. This watercolor is made from a selection of modern high-quality pigments. This watercolor paint features rich, free-flowing, transparent color. And each pack contains 2 colorful selections, half pans from the same color palette, letting you mix and create beautiful complementary shades. Alright, so let me show you the item. I have 2 of them, well, total of 4, so they gave me 2 colors. So I have the green and the red. Here it is, guys. I'm not going to show you swatches just yet because this also comes with a cool brush. So that's the next item here. So the brush is by Robert Simmons watercolor brush. It's a round size number 1, and it retails for $7.99. So all the items so far is $7.95, $6.99, and $7.99. So these are pretty expensive items here. So this is obviously a new product. As for what they mention here, it says pair your new watercolor with a reliable watercolor brush. The Robert Simmons watercolor brush features a unique blend of high quality synthetic filaments made to imitate natural red sable hair. The bristles hold pigment well while also retaining their shape stroke after stroke. So that's pretty good because I know I own a whole bunch of brushes that just end up being all, it's just splitting for me, especially the tips. So to hear something like this and retaining its shape, I think I definitely would like to keep this brush. Right, so this is the brush before I forget. So it's very, very thin. Like it's a round 1. It has the cover to it. Look at it. Here are the swatches. So obviously they have all 4 different colors. So the first color is, it's called Alizarian Crimson Hue. So it's more of like a nice purpley compared to this one. This is more of a true red, I believe. And the other one is called Rose Madder Hue. So the first one is color 515, just in case you guys want to just purchase just the color. And then the other color, the other nice red, is a 563. And as for the green, the first green here is called Hooker Green. Well, actually Hooker's Green Light in 353. And then the second green, which it's a much darker, it's called Hooker's Green Dark. So here's Hooker's Green Light, Hooker's Green Dark, and Hooker's Green Dark is 352. I like them. I like them a lot. Now, obviously, swatching a brush is not the same as feeling it out, but I really like it. It's very, very fine. It is true that it's very silky And I have to use a brush cleaner, but it's still some green. The green actually stained it just a tad bit. But yeah, I like it a lot. As for the colors look really nice. The item we have here, it is a limited edition ArtSnacks exclusive. So it's like a collaboration between ArtSnacks and Dixon Ticonderoga. A number 2 pencil, and it's for 69 cents. Yes, guys, it's a number 2 pencil. So let me tell you a little bit about it over here. It says the world's best pencil, quotation. Just got even better. Introducing an ArtSnacks twist on the classic Ticonderoga number 2 pencil. It says known for its distinctive green and yellow ferrule. This pencil features an exclusive graphite core formula for that delivers an extra smooth performance. The latex-free eraser also provides easy, clean corrections. So if you guys don't know what a number 2 pencil looks like, it is this right here. So it says right here the name, the one that I keep butchering, and here is the latex-free eraser. So this is like a classic number 2 pencil, guys. It's the green and yellow classic number 2 pencil, the one that does your Scantrons right here. Limited edition, so I'm actually gonna keep it because it says ArtSnacks. When I say keep it, if you guys are new to this channel, the reason why I say keep it is some of the items here that I get on ArtSnacks, I'm gonna be giving a big, huge giveaway of all the items that I don't use anymore, that are still good, and whatever I have at the end of the year, which is gonna be called the end of the year giveaway. I'll be posting about that later, closer on to the end of the year, obviously. And if I have a lot of items that I've already accumulated for a while now, I'm gonna split it into how many giveaways I can. So if it's a big amount, obviously I'm gonna be giving several giveaways. Now if it's just small, I'm just gonna give that one giveaway, and that one person's gonna get all these cool items. So yes, but I am definitely keeping this. The last one, it's a bonus item. It is a watercolor sheet of paper. So it says here, try out your newest art supplies with the 3 bonus sheets of cold press by Canson Heritage watercolor paper. This is a heavy 300, 100% cotton paper. It's strong and absorbent, offering excellent color layout and ultra sharp brush strokes. Experience precise control as color flows smoothly through your brush to the paper. If you enjoy this paper, full-size pads are available to purchase on ArtSnacks. So here you go, guys. They gave us 3 sheets, and this watercolor paper is really good. That's it, guys. I hope you guys liked the month of August ArtSnacks. I think I liked some of the stuff. I think my favorite item that I got so far is my double-sided brush ink pen. So I can't wait to try that out. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you if you guys decide to subscribe to ArtSnacks. Everything is down below. If you guys want to try it out, you can try it out for just 1 month. You can try it about, I think, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. And don't forget to also follow my social media right here at Zuki_art on my Instagram, because that's where I post most of the time. And if you guys are interested in buying the pins, don't forget, the link is down below. So don't forget to purchase one of them, guys, so you can have Zuki carrying around. If you guys collect pins, this is the pin set to get. So other than that, this is your girl, Miss Zuki, and I am out.